Two things before we start. What is excavation? Excavation is the act or process of digging. We are doing this today with a jackhammer. What is pipe replacement? Pipe replacement is when you remove or replace old pipe in your plumbing system for new, typically because it needed repaired. The first step of completing this project is to jackhammer through the cement floor so you have access to the pipe. Next, shovel out the dirt around the pipe. There's the old pipe. Next, they run a camera through both ends of the drains to see what the rest of the pipe is looking like. Then, they take the time to hydrojet both sides of the line to make sure that the pipe was free and clear of any obstructions that might be in the way. Now, it's time to connect the new piece of the drain. It is connected and in place. The final steps are shoveling the dirt back in around it and laying down cement for those places they jackhammered.